Hey, how's it going everyone? In this video here, you are going to find out how to fix that annoying screen flickering issue, that screen flashing issue on Windows 10. Some of you who have recently installed Windows 10 have unfortunately noticed that the screen keeps on flashing on and off, on and off, on and off. And depending on your situation, this may be caused by two things. This problem is usually caused by two different things. The first and common cause is the Windows error reporting service. And the second cause is iCloud. And another complication that often comes with all of this, depending on how bad your case is, sometimes you may know how to fix the issue, but the screen flashing is so bad you can't even fix it. So in these videos, we are going to address these two issues and that complication. So let's fix the first issue. Suppose that your problem is due to the Windows error reporting service. So to fix that, it's very easy. You're going to go to the bottom left corner of the screen right here, and then you're going to right click the start button. So right click the start button and click where it says run, and from there you're going to type this. You're going to type msconfig, msconfig, and then you're going to click OK or press enter. Okay, so right now, once you have opened the system configuration tool, you're going to go to this tab right here that says services. Okay, so make sure after doing that, make sure you click right here, this field right here. By doing that, this will alphabetize everything, so everything will be from A to Z, easy to find. And now after doing that, you're going to look for these two services and you're going to disable them. You're going to look for the Windows error reporting service and the problems report and solution service. So now let's look for the Windows error reporting service. So that should be under W. So I'm going to scroll down. Windows error reporting service, and there you go, the Windows error reporting service. And so once you find it, you're going to uncheck this box. Alright, after doing that, you're going to look for this service, the problems report and solutions. So I'm going to go under P, find that. And here it is, problems report and solutions, and I'm going to uncheck this box right here. Okay, so after doing that, you're going to press OK. All right, you're going to press OK, and then restart your PC. So if that was the cause of your problem, if the Windows error reporting was the cause of the problem, doing this should fix the issue. So after disabling these two services and after restarting your computer, doing that should fix your issue. Now for some people, unfortunately, that doesn't work, like I said, and oftentimes that is caused by iCloud. So to fix that, you need to remove iCloud, unfortunately. So to do that, you're going to right click the bottom left corner of the screen again, and you're going to click on where it says run, and from there you're going to type in this field right here, you're going to type appwiz.cpl. So type appwiz.cpl, the application wizard, appwiz.cpl, and then you're going to click OK or press enter. Okay, so from now this will take you to programs and features, and you will see all the programs in your computer, and from there you can, if you have iCloud installed, look for it here. If you have it installed, then select it and then click uninstall right here. So select it and then click uninstall right here. Okay, now as I said, there's often a complication to this. For some people, this problem is so bad they can't even do anything, even though they know how to fix it, even though they've watched videos on how to fix this issue. Because the screen flickering is so bad, they just can't do anything. They can't really access programs and features. So what do? Well, to fix this, you're going to press Ctrl Alt Delete. So as soon as you turn the computer, you're going to press Ctrl Alt Delete. And after pressing Ctrl Alt Delete, unfortunately my screen recorder can't see past that screen. So after pressing Ctrl Alt Delete, you should see a screen like this that says Log, Switch User, Sign Out, Task Manager. And what you're going to do, you're going to go to the bottom right corner of the screen, and then you're going to press the power, but you're going to click the power button. But before doing that, hold the shift key. So you're going to hold the shift key, and then press the power button. Hold the shift key and then press the power button while holding it. So hold shift key and press power and keep holding the shift key. So after doing that, you should see this. Windows will take you to this screen, and from there you can choose to troubleshoot your PC. And after that, you can choose advanced options. After that, you can choose startup settings right here. Startup settings. After that, you can choose to boot to safe mode. Now, if you boot to safe mode, you can follow the same steps as I showed here. If Windows error reporting was causing your problem, you can go to safe mode, and from there you can disable Windows error reporting. And if iCloud was causing your problem, you can go to safe mode and uninstall iCloud. So as you can see here, to put to safe mode, you're going to press F4 or F5. Okay, F4 or F5. So that is if you have to use safe mode. You only need to use safe mode if the problem is so bad that you can't even do anything. All right, and so this is how you really fix this issue. If this worked for you, thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.